Top-load washing machines are often left behind with tech advancements compared to front-load washing machines, but not anymore. This Samsung Ecobubble top-load washing machine is power-packed. Let's see how. This video is made in collaboration with Samsung, who kindly sent me the Samsung Ecobubble 10 kg top-load washing machine to experience as well as demo. Let's first talk about the most important aspect of a washing machine. It's cleaning efficiency. First off, let's talk about the hygiene. For most people, nothing speaks better about hygiene than hot water. The Samsung Ecobubble top-load washing machine includes an inbuilt heater and a hygiene steam cycle which uses hot water and steam at 60 degrees Celsius to sanitize clothes, eliminating up to 99.9% bacteria. So, whether it's workout gear or office wear, or kids wear with stubborn or oily stains, there is no need to pre-soak the clothes. Just use the Samsung Ecobubble Hygiene Steam to ensure your clothes are not just clean but hygienically clean. Bubbles are often seen as a signal of cleanliness. We like bubbles when we wash our hands or wash our hair. Then why not our clothes? The Samsung Ecobubble technology does just that. This feature mixes detergent with air and water before the wash cycle begins, creating bubbles that penetrates fabrics faster and more efficiently. This helps to get rid of stains more effectively and helps our clothes to retain their color and texture. This is a 10 kg top-load washing machine that makes tackling huge loads extremely easy. From heavy linens to bulky blankets, you can wash more in less time. The machine has a number of different cycles, including the super speed cycle, which helps us wash a full load in just 29 minutes. Plus, of course, the time required for hanging your clothes for drying. Samsung now brings smart features into their top-load range of washing machines too. You can now easily control and manage your washing machine with the SmartThings app. Anyone can now do laundry in our homes. If you have a mixed load of clothes and don't know what cycle to select, the app now just makes it easier. Just select the type of laundry, the color and soil level, and the app pops up a few recommendations you can use that includes the optimum cycle and time to be used for the selected set of clothes. How often have we left wet laundry in the washer only to come back to stinking laundry? More often than I'd like to acknowledge. Now with the laundry planner, we can easily set the end time of the washing machine to a time that we are comfortable with to hang the clothes for drying. No more stinking laundry. I recently had to service my Samsung washing machine. The service rep connected his phone to the washing machine and he was easily able to diagnose the issue with my machine. With the SmartThings app, we don't even need to call a service rep to do that. We can easily get all the necessary diagnostic information on the app itself. With a direct drive digital inverter motor that delivers powerful, quiet and energy efficient performance along with hygiene steam cleaning and smart capabilities to make our lives less hectic, this machine has us covered. Samsung backs this up with an extended 20-year warranty on the motor, so you know it's built to last. If you found this video useful, consider sharing and commenting on this video. This immensely helps the video reach a wider audience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.